Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Glorious Ventures. This is Gloria here. So today guys, I'm going to show you something I personally use in my wellness routine, the asthma plant. I'm simply sharing what I do for myself and what has been helping me in my own journey. This is not medical advice. Always listen to your body and talk to a professional if needed. This plant grows almost everywhere in our community, in fields, around home, or by the roadside. For generations, people have used it as a traditional herb for general wellness, especially for supporting respiratory comfort, helping relax the chest, managing phlegm, supporting digestion, for malaria and skin application in some cultures. I will share more about the benefits at the end of this video. When you look for this plant, look for clean areas, not near busy roads or dirty ground. I'm picking it in my yard, and after harvesting, I wash the plant gently to remove soil. Then I spread it under the shade, not in direct sunlight. Shade drying helps the plant to keep its color and nutrients. I leave it for 2 to 3 days depending on the weather. Once the plant is completely dry and crunchy, I use my grinder to make a fine powder. You can use a mortar and pestle to crush it into powder. After grinding, I keep it in a dry, airtight glass container away from moisture. When using the asthma plant powder, I put just a small pinch in hot water and drink it as herbal tea. I also use it in smoothies, and sometimes I add a little powder to warm bath as part of my relaxation routine. I mix it with other herbs I'm comfortable with, again based on my personal experience. Remember, I'm only showing you what I do. Everyone's body is different. It worked for me, but that doesn't mean it works for everyone. Now let's talk about the health benefits of the asthma plant, commonly known in traditional herbal knowledge. Again, this is shared only for educational purposes. The asthma plant is traditionally used to help with comfort in the chest, easing tightness and loosening phlegm. It helps with clearing mucus. People have used it to support the body when dealing with congestion. Communities use it to keep the airways clean and clear. Some people use it for gas, bloating, and mild stomach discomfort. Some use it for malaria, and in some cultures, the plant is applied externally for minor skin irritations. Even natural plants can be strong. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medication, or have a medical condition, please talk to a health professional. And if your body reacts badly to anything, please stop using it. I hope this helps you understand more about the asthma plant and how I personally use it in my daily routine. If you enjoy natural living tips and herbal education, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and stay healthy. Bye.